My children, do you have a unique art style? No? Then you're trash. Absolute trash. Alright, art style. So, when I was starting to draw back in, I think, 2014 or 2017 or something, when I was in art school, so at that time, literally everyone that I met told me to have an art style, okay, to have my own art style. But I never understood, why do you have to have an art style? But now I know, after like maybe 8 or 10 years, why is it important? And I'm pretty sure that people have told you to have an art style as well, okay? So, why is it so important to have an art style? Why do people keep telling us to have an art style? Why do most professional artists have an art style, have something unique? The reason for that is pretty simple. An art style is your own style. It's your own voice. It's what makes you unique. It's what makes you stand out from everyone else, okay? So it is basically your identity. Without an art style, you will be just a copy. You will be just someone who is copying some other artist or someone else. And I have seen many people copy other artists, like they copy Louis, they copy all of these famous artists like Bulab, Sam Dazard, etc, etc, etc. Even some traditional artists, some old traditional painters, okay, like Rembrandt. But in the end, if they do not modify their art style to their own liking, they essentially remain just a copy, okay, just an imitation of somebody else, okay? And if you are an imitation of somebody else, if you have the same art style as somebody else, then why would people be interested in your art? Why would people be interested in buying your stuff, okay, in giving you work, okay? Who is gonna give you work if you do not have anything unique, okay? If you just end up copying someone else, end up copying someone's work, just like an AI. So what is your value in the end if you're not unique in your own right? This is the reason why it is very essential to have an art style, alright? And a great example of having unique art style is all of these famous anime, cartoons or whatever entertainment stuff that you see. Like for example, many of the Studio Ghibli films. When you see Spirited Away, you are instantly reminded that this art style, this movie is by Studio Ghibli. This is the work of Hayao Miyazaki, alright? Or when you see Kim Jung-gi's work, Kim Jung-gi's big paintings, you are instantly reminded that yes, this work is by Master Kim Jung-gi, okay? This is the work of Master Kim Jung-gi. So these are their identities. These are the identities of the artists. Then there comes Louis. She has all of these candy color style, and her style is like very soft and very flowy, alright? So whenever you see her work, whenever you see her art, you're instantly reminded, oh yeah, that's Louis. That's Louis's work. Then we can have examples like Marvel Comics or DC Comics, okay? They have all of that grungy art style, alright, with very high contrast stuff. Thus, whenever you see the comics, whenever you see all of the animated movies, then you are instantly reminded, yes, that's DC or that's Marvel style. Then next comes the anime stuff. Anime like Naruto and Dragon Ball Z, okay, these are pretty famous anime, even Pokemon, alright? So whenever you see Naruto, then yes, then you instantly recognize the art style is of Masashi Kishimoto, okay? Oh yeah, that's Kishimoto's art style. Then Dragon Ball, whenever you see Dragon Ball, then yeah, you're instantly reminded that it's Toriyama's art style, Akira Toriyama's stuff, alright? Because that is how he drew. Then there comes Pokemon. The classic Pokemon art style is of Ken Sugimori. So whenever you see all of these old Pokemon sprites or old Pokemon anime stuff, then you're instantly reminded, yeah, that's Pokemon, that's Ken Sugimori's art style. So why are you reminded of all of these stuff, or how can you recognize all of these different art style and instantly figure out who the artist is, or what the show or what the anime is? How is that possible? Simply because these art styles are the identity of the artists and the anime. Without them having a unique art style, they would not have had a unique identity to them, alright? If they were all realistic, if they were all in realistic style, nobody would have literally cared about them, nobody would have liked them, because they wouldn't have had anything unique to them. So this is the reason why it is very important to have a very unique art style, an art style that is unique to your own, that will make you stand out, that would give you your own identity. So stop copying others and go and develop your own art style. That's it. And this was merely the first part. In the next part, I'm gonna explain to you how to develop your own art style. So please subscribe for that. Help me reach 1 million subscribers, not 1,000. 1 million subscribers. And join the Discord. As usual, we have a great community. Let's build up a great community. Alright? And that's it. Until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye. So stop copying others and go develop your own art style. Otherwise, I'm sending you back to kindergarten, you absolute child. Goodbye.